Children, I will discuss the topic decade wise. In the decade of the 1960s, several events occurred which had a huge impact on the political situation in India. From 1960 to 1970, we had three prime ministers, Pandit Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, and Indira Gandhi. At the time of Pandit Nehru, the regions of Goa, Diu, and Daman were freed from the Portuguese rule and became parts of the Indian Federation. Children, on the screen you can see the location of Diu, Daman, and Goa. All were under the Portuguese rule, but at the time of Pandit Nehru, the regions of Goa, Diu, and Daman were freed from Portuguese rule and became parts of the Indian Federation. It was also known as the liberation of Goa, Diu, and Daman. Another very significant event which was happened at that time, it was the India China war. The tensions between India and China on the northern border, which had been rising since 1950, culminated in the War of 1962 between two countries. This war was fought in the region of the McMahon Line. Children, on the screen, you can see the location of McMahon Line on the top of Arunachal Pradesh. The McMahon Line is disputed border between India and China. It extends from Tawang in India to Myanmar, approximately 1152 kilometers long. The line is named after Sir Arthur Henry McMahon. Do you know who was Sir Arthur Henry McMahon? He was the Foreign Secretary of British India. It was suggested at the Shimla Conference in 1913-14. The Chinese walked out rejecting the proposed line. Hence, it was negotiated between India and Tibet. China rejects the Shimla Accord and the McMahon Line, contending that Tibet was not a sovereign state and so did not have the power to conclude treaties. Later, this line became a bone of contention between India and China, culminating in the 1962 war. Children, the Sino-Indian War or the India-China War was a war between China and India that occurred in 1962. A Chinese disputed Himalayan border was the main cause of the war. There had been a series of violent border skirmishes between the two countries after the 1959 Tibetan uprising, when India granted asylum to the Dalai Lama. Dalai Lama, he was the Tibetan head. India initiated a defensive forward policy from 1960 to hinder Chinese military patrols and logistics, in which it placed outposts along the border. including several north of the McMahon Line. Children, Chinese military action grew increasingly aggressive after India rejected proposed Chinese diplomatic settlements throughout 1960 to 1962, with China recommencing previously banned forward patrols in Ladakh from 30th April 1962. China finally abandoned all attempts of peaceful resolution on 20th October 1962, invading disputed territory along the 3,225 long Himalayan border in the Ladakh and across the McMahon Line. China troops advanced over Indian forces, capturing Rezangla in Chushul in the Western Theatre as well as Tawang in the Eastern Theatre. The war ended when China declared a ceasefire on 20th November 1962 and simultaneously announced its withdrawal to its claimed line of actual control. Children, after India became independent, Prime Minister Pandit Nehru led the country. He was the architect of India's foreign policy. What is foreign policy? That all countries are members of international system. No country is completely self-sufficient. There is mutual dependence in the international system. Children, you have come to know in political science about the interdependence. In this context, every country has to decide the nations with which it should be friendly, with which bloc it should be participate, or what position it should take in international relations. The theoretical framework in which such decisions are taken is called foreign policy. Every sovereign and independent nation decides its foreign policy. Foreign policy plays an important role in international relation. So children, Pandit Nehru, he was the architect of India's foreign policy. His contribution to the social and economic development of India is significant. He passed away in 1964. So children, still now you have come to know uh, about the two significant events which was occurred at the time of Pandit Nehru. One was the liberation of Goa, Diu and Daman, and another was the India-China War, which was fought in 1962, and this war was fought in the region of the McMahon Line. So children, still now what we have come to know about Pandit Nehru? He was the first Prime Minister of our country. During his time, the liberation of Goa, Diu and Daman from Portuguese rule and merger with India, it was happened. India China War, which was also there in 1962. He was the pioneer of economic planning, and also he was the architect of India's foreign policy. Now I will discuss about the next Prime Minister, Lal Bahadur Shastri.